Hi friends, this is Rajiv from Artha Institute of Management. Welcome to one another video from Artha Institute of Management educational series. And this video is all about the professional examinations which is going to happen in the month of August or September. Actually, most of the students are in dilemma, they are in confusion. As their examinations got postponed from June to July to August, and still they are thinking like, no, what is going to happen in the month of August? Because the corona is increasing day by day, the impact is increasing day by day, and nobody is sure like what is going to happen tomorrow or next month or after 2 months. Most of the education has gone to online mode from offline mode. And most of the universities and boards already shared their news that they are going to reduce the syllabus for the next academic year. And most of the colleges, like most of the universities or most of the schools, what they have done is like for different degrees or different qualifications, they have given the automatic pass system. This automatic pass system have its own positives and negatives. Actually, a student who has put a lot of work on study, he may not feel good just getting an average mark because he or she might have been preparing for a great grade in the final examination. Anyway, let us keep that aside. Let us discuss about what is going to happen in the month of August or September. See, professional examinations like CA and CS, company secretaries and chartered accountancies, cost accountancies, and they have got shifted. The dates have been postponed. So, for example, in the case of company secretary examination, the actual date on which the examination should have been started is June 1st. But as the due to COVID impact, the examination has been shifted from June 1st to July. As the COVID was not coming down or going down, and it is affecting more parts of India or more parts of the world, the examination have got postponed from July to August. Psychologically, our students have a problem. Why? Because they have prepared for writing the examination on June 1st. They have done all their studies, all their preparations, all their revisions, and they were pumped up to write the examination on June 1st. The examination got postponed. Without losing the tempo, they continued their study for a little bit. But mid-June, the further announcement came that the examination is going to get postponed once more to August. Now, what might have been happened in the minds of a student is, he might have lost confidence, like he might have thought full actually, like I prepared everything, now the exam has got shifted, what to study, should I review once more, and he got confused and he might have been out of the track from the study for the last 20-25 days. But friends, a professional course is one of the important stage in our life. Now, if you become lazy now, if you are not able to keep pace with the way in which you are supposed to study, and if you are not able to perform in the next examination is going to happen in August or September, you may lose 6 months or 1 year from your life. You cannot, you should not. Why? Because losing 1 year is very, very important, very serious actually. So what we need to do here is understand that the examination is going to happen on the postponed date. It is going to happen. And we got an opportunity to learn little more. The revision can be done once more. Don't lose time. Now the date is around the July first week is already completed. Now we need to be very careful that from today onwards your study should start with full focus or full tempo So what will happen is like, see, you will be able to do a final revision for your examination. You should use this negative situation to a positive, for a positive outcome. Yes, of course, it's a negative situations. We are in confusion. Nobody know what is going to happen. Yes. But still, a smart person, a successful person, what he or she will do? They will convert their negative situation into a positive result. So this is your time to convert this COVID-19 negative situation to a positive, for a positive outcome. What you need to do? You restart your studies now. Don't be lazy. Don't be into your WhatsApp, Facebook, and the sorrow of TikTok gone. Restart your study. Revise once more. Talk to your tutors and teachers. Clear all your doubts. With a new vigor, no? Like, go and write the examination. Score more marks than you expected, actually. We need to succeed in our life. Because the world remember only the people who are successful. So we want to be successful. So be a good professional. And if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button. And if you have something to say, please write that into my comment box, or you can WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number, which is displayed on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I will keep on posting this type of videos regularly. And if you feel like this video can be helpful to somebody, share the link to him. Till the next video, this is Rajiv. Thank you very much. Wish you all the very best.